Hello. Dear students, Jai Hind and very good morning. Welcome back. As you all know that we have been continuing some of the revision lectures. Understand, for those chapters which are a part of your first evaluation test, as we have started revision lectures of chapter number 1, and as you all know, in chapter number 1 we have in 5 revision lectures we are able to cover two very important topics. One, that is discussion about all problems, word problems, as you know. And second, that was discussion regarding representation of rational number on the number line. So we have attended so far these two topics we are able to cover in our lectures. Now today you are going to attend the last revision lecture for chapter number 1, that is rational number. And in today's lecture, dear student, we will discuss the last few problems which are left to be discussed. Some of the problems I will take from formative and summative test also. Understand? So that you become quite clear in your concept. Understood regarding rational numbers. So today, dear student, is last revision lectures. Understood? Where let us try to discuss some important problems and some important concepts from some from chapter and some from summative and formative test also. I also want to take some of the important objectives also. Understand? Which I have asked in WRTs, right? Okay, so this is the way, dear student, we are targeting today's lecture. Okay, let us start discussing some of the problems also. Okay, and then we will move ahead as we will go on discussing. Understand? So, dear student, first, the title of the chapter 1, okay, that is rational number, okay, rational numbers, right? And in this you are going to attend lecture number 6, the final lecture of revision, where I want to discuss some of the MCQs which I have asked in WRTs. Understand, in some of the WRTs of this chapter you might not be able to solve them. Okay, so this is the way we are targeting today's lecture. Okay, we'll start with one important problem first. Please note down the problem with me. Okay, and we'll discuss. The problem is this: subtract. Please note down the sum. Subtract the sum of the sum of, first you need to note down the problem. Subtract the sum of minus 3 upon 10 and subtract the sum of minus 3 upon 10 and 5 upon 8 from the sum of concentrate. Subtract the sum of minus 3 upon 10 and 5 upon 8 from the sum of 4 upon 15 and 4 upon 15 and 2 upon minus 5. This is the question given. First, dear student, you need to concentrate on the given data. That's very important. As I told you, whenever you attend any problem, first you need to understand the given data. That is very important. Subtract the sum of minus 3 upon 10 and 5 upon 8 from the sum of 4 upon 15 and 2 upon minus 5. So what we are doing is this. First you understand the question properly. Then as I go on explaining the same example, you please be concentrating. We want to subtract the sum of these two from the sum of this. So this way I am writing. This is the solution we are doing. First you write 4 upon 15 plus 2 upon minus 5. This is the sum of these two numbers. Please concentrate. Minus, because from the sum of these two, I have to subtract the sum of these two. So I will write this way. You need to concentrate on this. Plus 5 upon 8. See, this is the first symbolic presentation of the given verbal data. Subtract the sum of these two from the sum of these two. Okay. Now dear student, let us try to solve. Please concentrate here. 4 upon 15 as it is, as you know. Now dear student, this double sign has to be solved, because either in numerator or denominator the negative sign applies to the whole rational number. So plus minus minus 2 upon 5. Please note down this very important. Okay. Says I am keeping as it is, and this is plus 5 upon 8. Okay, dear student, now it's a question of taking LCM. So be conscious, okay, LCM here and then here. Here the LCM of 15 and 5, that is 15. So accordingly multiply 4 1 ja 15 1 ja minus 2 3 ja, because 5 3 ja. Okay. Is it clear in your mind? Here LCM of 10 and 8. Okay. The LCM of 10 and 8 you can take out. Understand, that is 40, as you know. If you take out the LCM, you will come to know. Understand? So accordingly, dear student, multiply 10 4 ja. Here also you will multiply 4. 5. Here 8 5 ja. So here also 5. Next step, 4 upon 15 minus 6 upon 15. Please note down each and every step properly. Okay. 12 upon 40 plus 25 upon 40. Now it is common LCM. 4 minus 6 upon 15 minus 12 plus 25 upon 40. Concentrate on each and every step. 4 minus 16 minus 2 upon 15 minus 25 minus 12, 13 upon 40. We further carry the sum there, but you first, dear student, concentrate here. Next step we will carry further on other side. But first, please understand, note down each and every step done by me. From the sum of this, we are subtracting the sum of that. Understand? Plus, minus, minus here. This is as it is. Then, dear student, question of taking LCM, you all must be knowing how to take LCM. I don't think that is not clear in your mind. Here also LCM, and accordingly we got this result. Now let us move further from here. I am continuing the sum here, so please concentrate. minus 2 upon 15 minus 13 upon 40. Okay, dear student. Now, again it's a question of taking LCM. Okay, LCM of 15 and 40 you have to take. Understand? So that simply you can do because you all know how to do it. Okay, right? So LCM 8 5 ja 43 ja 120 is the LCM. So accordingly, dear student, you got the LCM already? Understood? Accordingly, let us do it. Minus 2 upon 15. 120 is the LCM. So 15 8 ja. Here also you have to take. And as you know, 43 ja. Understood? Now just carry the sum. Minus 16 upon 120 minus 39 upon 120, because the common denominator appears here, we can write this way. Okay, minus minus plus, but the sign of greater number. 9 plus 6 15, 1 carry, 3 plus 1 plus 1 45 upon 120. Further cancellation possible. 5 9 ja, 5 2 ja 10, 5 24 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 8 ja. So your final answer is 3.8. Now, dear student, please verify the sum properly. Please check this. Understand? Verify the sum properly. Then we can go for solving some other example of the same type. But first you need to verify. From here I have continued the sum here. How to take LCM? Understand, no mistakes should occur in this. So that is the way you need to be very conscious about. And as you know, in always in revision lecture, one thing is final. You do not have to write with me. You please wait for me when I am explaining any step. Please concentrate on it, and I am giving you sufficient time to note down each and every fact. Understand? So don't feel like that you write with me and sir will immediately erase. I will give you time to note down this sum. Concentrate, and please note down each and every step, so that at least it becomes clear in your mind. Okay? And that's the rule of the revision lecture, that every time you are given any example or any example done, understand, in the revision lecture needs to be concentrated in such a way that you will not find it difficult. later on when you solve any example. Understood? That's our main target. Okay? Is it clear? Right. Any example. Let me take another example. Okay. I am going to take some difficult examples involving concept application. Understand? So you please concentrate. So actually we are not going to take a very simple example. We will take hard examples only, so that easy examples you can solve it by yourself. So my target is to take some harder examples from even summative test. Okay, let us write example number 2. This is like this. The, please note down, product of, this is the example, the product of two rational numbers, the product of two rational numbers is minus 12 upon 35. Okay, the first statement of the sum, the product of two rational numbers is minus 12 upon 35 if, please note down, if one of them, if one of them is, if one of them is 3 upon 5, then find absolute. This word also needs a revision. Then find absolute difference between two numbers. Okay, first please note down the sum, and then we will explain it. First you note down the, it has been given that product of two rational numbers is minus 12 upon 35. Among the two rational number, one of the number has been given 3 upon 5, and then you have to find the absolute difference between two rational numbers. So my dear student, your first target is, first target in this example is to find other rational number. That is your first target. You are knowing only one rational number, 3 upon 5. This is not the other rational number. It is the product of two rational numbers. So this particular example we will divide into two parts. First, finding the other rational number. Second part, finding the absolute difference. Okay. So dear student, how will you move? First you write product two numbers, rational I am not writing just now, minus 12 upon 35, understand? One of the number equal to 3 upon 5, okay? Now dear student, second number, let we take x. You can also write this way, let the second number be x. I have no objection at all, but we will start the example by supposing second rational number as x, okay? Now product of these two rational number is this. So can I write this way? Concentrate here dear student. X multiplied by 3 upon 5 is equal to minus 12 35. You understood this? Product of these two rational number is minus 12 upon 35. So we took this two rational number. Okay. What could be the next step? You must be knowing conceptually. If I transfer this rational number on that side, here it is in multiplication. When you transfer, it get reciprocalized, inverse of that. So minus 12 upon 35 multiplied by, do the inverse of this, 5 upon 3. This is important step you need to note down. There are many students who do not follow this customary way of transferring. They also say that, sir, if we cross multiply, 5 will be multiplied with minus 12, 3 will be multiplied with 35, all okay. Maths is a subject of your concept understanding and applying your variety. Understand? That doesn't mean that what I say you must follow. What you should do, that needs to be conceptually correct. That is your responsibility. Okay? Now dear student, let us cancel. 5 7 ja, 3 4 ja, minus 4 upon 7. So dear student, we got two rational number. First was 3 upon 5. Second, 4 upon 7. As you got two rational number, let us find their absolute difference. Second half of the sum, write this way, Absolute difference you know how to find. In modulus sign, let me write the first number 3 upon 5 minus, because I need to find the difference, 3 upon 5 minus this one minus 4 upon 7. You understood this? Please concentrate here now. This is 3 upon 5. And what will you do here, dear student? Minus minus plus 4 upon 7. Is it clear in your mind? And now we can take the LCM 35, LCM of the denominator 35. Accordingly, dear student, 5 7 ja 7 5 ja. Okay, so this turned out to be 21 upon 35 plus 20 upon 35. Okay, then this is 21 plus 20 upon 35 turns out to be 41 upon 35. This sign represents the absolute value. So when this number come out, remains as it is. You know the meaning of absolute value. Absolute value deals with only magnitude, measurement, not with the sign. If you would have got minus 41 upon 35, then also you would have written the final answer as 41 upon 35, because meaning of absolute value is that when you include any number inside this modulus sign, when it come out only with measurement, not sign. Okay, that's called absolute difference. Okay, so this is getting clear in your mind. Please verify what we have done here to make your basics understood more clear. Just concentrate here. Just concentrate. Okay, and then I also want to discuss some important concept, okay, regarding rational number. First you verify this problem. Are you able to catch the concept or no? That's very important. Understood? Some of the simple problems are there, no doubt, but that I am not taking in revision. You might find them very easy to solve. That's why. So easy examples we are not taking, understand, in consideration now. Okay. So these are some examples we can discuss. Okay. Right. Let us discuss one difficult example also. This is clear? Okay. Let us take one more example so that your basic becomes stronger. understand, in rational number. That's why you need a discussion of this. Actually, that is distributive property. Understand? Right? Let us solve. The example is like this. Okay? Let us solve. If, please note down, x equals to 3 upon 5, okay, y equals to minus 2 upon 5, z equals to minus 7 upon 5, then verify, okay, what you have to verify, this is the verification you need to do. X multiplied by y plus z equal to x multiplied by y plus x multiplied by z. This is, dear student, if you have concentrated, you can consider this as a statement of distributive property. You know, you must have verified in previous standard also. X multiplied by y plus z, then you multiply x with y plus x with z. This is actually known as distributive property, which we are proving now. First, you please note down the question properly, and then we will move further. First, we will get the result for LHS, then we will get the result for RHS. After we get the result for LHS and RHS, then we will simply verify whether they are equal or not. So that's our target, okay. First, we will concentrate on LHS, okay. I am not writing LHS, but anything on this side LHS, this is called RHS. X multiplied by y plus z, okay. What is the value of x? 3 upon 5 multiplied by value of y minus 2 upon 5 plus value of z minus 7 upon 5. Please note down this. Now, 3 upon 5. Here, dear student, minus 2 upon 5 as it is, plus minus 7 upon 5. Next step, 3 upon 5. Here, dear student, because common denominator appears here, so you can directly write this way, minus 2 minus 7 upon 5. Is it clear in your mind? 3 upon 5 multiplied by minus 9 upon 5. Numerator to numerator, minus 27 upon 5 5 ja 25. This is result number 1. Please concentrate here first. Then we will go for result number 2. But first, how we derive any such example asked to you, you need to follow the same pattern. That means finding first LHS, that is the evaluation of expression on the left hand side, and then finding the value of expression given on right hand side. Okay, you must have noted down. Again in revision lecture, never in a hurry to write with me. First, when I am explaining anything, please concentrate here, write, just observe what I am doing. Then I will, after writing any explanation on the board, I will definitely wait for you so that you can write with comfort whatever steps are explained here on the board. You understood? Now let us take the next one. X multiplied by y plus x multiplied by z. Okay. Substitute the values. X 3 upon 5, y x 3 upon 5, y minus 2 upon 5 plus x 3 upon 5 multiplied by z minus 7 upon 5. First, just substitute the values. Please concentrate here. After substituting the value, this is no cancellation is possible. So, minus 6 upon 25 plus numerator to numerator minus 21 upon 25. Now common denominator appears. So you got minus 27 upon 25. Please note down this. Minus 27 upon 25. Take your time, feel comfort, see how we have substituted the values, how we have solved common denominator, how we are adding all these steps. You need to concentrate in the revision lecture. So you got both the result equal. So at last what you will write this way. Therefore, this is the way you need to write. From result 1 and 2, it is verified. This is the way you will write. From result 1 and 2, it is verified that what is verified? X multiplied by y plus z equal to x multiplied by y plus x multiplied by z. Please concentrate. This is the way you can solve any example. Some of the example we have also solved in our regular lectures, but actually what happens that we are solving now, understood, because at that time it happened that you have in evaluation test this chapter was there and we sent you in 1 week back to back all lectures. So it happened that some of the students had a little complaint that they could not follow. That's why we are taking in revision. Understand? Is it clear in your mind? One more example also related to this we want to discuss. Okay? Let me write that example also and let us discuss it out. Okay? Example number 4. It is like this, dear student. If x equals to minus 2 upon 5 and please note down x equal to minus 2 upon 5 and y equals to 3 upon 4, then verify that this is the statement modulus x plus y equal to modulus x plus modulus y. There may be any option given to you, but if I solve 1 for you. You will be able to solve any example whatsoever asked to you. Okay. First, dear student, LHS. Okay. X plus y. Let us substitute the value minus 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 4. Okay. Taking LCM of 5 and 4, that is 20. So accordingly 5 4 ja, so here also 4 plus 4 5 ja, here also 5. Next step, minus 8 upon 20 plus 15 upon 20. Okay. Common denominator, minus 8 plus 15 upon 20. 7 upon 20, because absolute value, its measurement, this is result number 1. Please verify first. Result number 1. Take comfort, note down each and every step properly. Understood? Okay. Let us take now RHS. Modulus x plus modulus y. What is the value of x? Minus 2 upon 5 plus value of y, that is 3 upon 4. Okay. Now after taking both the values, absolute means taking out only magnitude 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 4. Taking LCM again. Okay, similar way. Just taking LCM 15 upon 20. You understood this? Okay. Here it is 2 upon 5, dear student. Please make a change in this. Okay. Please just make a change. So this is 23. Okay. There was just a simple sign mistake. Okay. Please verify this. Okay. Just make a minor change which we could not do. Okay. Then, dear student, here 8 plus 15 upon 20 turns out to be 23 upon 20, result number 2. Okay. Both results are equal. Please make this change here. It was sign, understand? So you can write, therefore, from result 1 and it is verified that, then you write this statement, modulus x plus y equal to modulus x plus modulus y. Okay. So dear student, this is the way we have given 6 lectures for revising this important chapter of rational number. And as I told you at the even start of this chapter and even in the revision lecture, that this chapter is carrying importance for you for the upper standard 9th and 10th, where you will attain some of, no doubt that's an upgraded higher concept, but at least if you are conceptually strong in this particular chapter will help you a lot to understand those chapter of where they are titled as real number in 9 and 10. It becomes easy for you to understand and study. Okay, thank you very much.